Lesson 18, English volume conversions. So when we did area conversions, you guys, like if I had inches squared, whatever it was, and we were converting it to feet, how many unit multipliers did you have to use if we did area? 2. All right? So anytime you're doing area, you always use 2 unit multipliers per thing. So like if I'm going inches to feet, I have to do 2 of them because it's area. So for volume, how many do you think we have to do? Yes. So for volume, you have to do 3 unit multipliers per conversion. All right? So if I have to go inches to feet and feet to miles, then I have to use 6. Okay? So it's 3 per each thing that you're going to convert. So let's do the first one that says use 3 unit multipliers to convert 14 cubic feet to cubic inches. So start with 14 cubic feet, and when you write it, we put 14 and then feet cubed, and we always put the first one over 1. So then we're going to go from feet to inches, and we're going to use, the book's going to tell you too, 3 unit multipliers. 1, 2, 3, okay? So anytime it's volume, you always have to convert using 3 of them because it's cubed, right? So 14 feet cubed, and we're going to inches. So how many inches in a foot? 12. And don't forget, if feet is in the top, where does it have to go on all these? The bottom. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So again, this is really equal to 1 because these are equal amounts. And then we have to do the same thing 3 times. So another one and another one. Okay, you have to show the canceling. Okay, feet cubed cancels. You always want to cancel the units. There are 3 of them in the bottom, and that's how it cancels with the 3 in the top. Yeah, Kaden. You can, but I want you to do it this way because the book says use 3 unit multipliers. When you get to Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, you can write this as one of them cubed. Yeah. But for now, do 3. I know. It'll be okay. All right. So now I have 14, but here's where you can write it as 3, Kaden. So instead of writing it out as 12 times 12 times 12, you can, in this step, put 12 cubed. Okay? And then we have inches times inches times inches. So that would be inches cubed. So my final answer is inches cubed. Check and make sure you did it right. So I converted to cubic inches. My answer should have cubic inches in it. And then you guys can leave your answers like this. And otherwise, you would use a calculator. Probably, I would let you use a calculator to do 14 times 12 times 12 times 12 if you wanted to get an actual answer. Okay? All right, let's try another one. So use 6 unit multipliers to convert 1 million cubic inches to cubic miles. Why do we need 6 unit multipliers for this one? Monica? Yep. Yep. We're going to go inches to feet, and we need 3 of those. And then feet to miles, and we need 3 of those. So write small so you can fit it all the way across your paper here. So we have 1 million inches cubed, okay, cubic inches, and always put the first one over 1. Okay, and we're going inches to feet. So we're going to need 3 of these that go inches to feet, and we're going to need 3 that go feet. Oh dear, I'm going to have to write real small. Okay, so my first one, we just did inches to feet in the last one. So how many inches are in a foot? 12, and the inches has to go where? Top or bottom? Bottom. So 12 inches, 1 foot. 12 inches, 1 foot. 12 inches, 1 foot. So they're all exactly the same. And now we're going to go, let's go ahead and cancel our inches since we're here. Okay, inches cubed on the top cancels with the 3 inches in the bottom. So now we're going to go feet to miles, right? How many feet are in a mile? 5280. And does the feet in the next part go on the top or the bottom? Right, since it's on the top here, we have to go on the bottom here. So 5280 feet 1 mile. 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Be sure for miles you have mi. 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So now I can cancel the 3 feet units up here with the 3 feet units in the bottom. So I should have all the units gone except for which ones? Miles times miles times miles. So that would be miles cubed. Now in the last one, if you guys noticed, what did I have in the denominator every single time? We had all ones in the last one, so this was really over 1, and we just didn't have to write that. Now this one, we've got some different stuff in the top and the bottom. So think about in fractions, we multiply top to top to top to top to top, right? So in the numerator, I have 1 million times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So what is that? All right, so we have 1 million in the numerator. And in the bottom, I have 1 times 12 times 12 times 12. So we really just need to write this guy cubed, and it has to be in the denominator. And then we're going to write this one also cubed in the denominator. And then make sure you have your units, miles cubed. And that's our answer.